Hey YouTube! It's Kazi with what will hopefully be the first of many DIY videos on the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I mounted two very non-VESA compatible monitors. I used a teeny piece of wood from IKEA to drill my VESA holes into. You can drill directly into the monitor too, but I would advise against it. If you don't have a fancy drill bit kit, you can hand screw too. Don't worry. So what I did was I just pre-drilled the holes so they matched up to the VESA mount plate. Use whichever set of holes works for you. Now of course I could have gone out and bought some new VESA compatible monitors, but let's face it, I'm cheap. And I'm guessing you're cheap too, because you're watching a DIY video. And once we have the holes drilled, we're going to take that very same piece of wood and use it to mark on the back of the monitor itself where we're going to attach the wood later on. I used a regular old black Sharpie, which is ideal. You can use tape too, whatever you want. What's really important though is that we have a nice symmetrical placement for the wood, because once you put it on the back of the monitor, it most likely isn't going anywhere. Like, I don't see it going anywhere. I used a standard 2-part epoxy from JB Weld for this project. It was only about $5 from Amazon, I believe. If you know of a better one, please do feel free to share it in the comments, because I'm really cheap. But someone else might want to use a better epoxy, because after all, this is for potentially expensive monitors. The mount I use is just a standard VESA mount, also from Amazon, and I'm gonna include links to everything in the description box below, but you can literally get it all from anywhere. Doesn't have to be Amazon. So once you've covered the piece of wood in epoxy, and it doesn't have to be completely covered, by the way, I actually just did the edges, as you can see. Once you've completely covered it, or slightly covered it, just place it in the lines that we marked epoxy side down, on the back of the monitor. I just used the VESA mount plate to weigh the wood down, but you can also use your hands to weigh it down. Left it to set overnight, and then just screw the screws in like you'd do with any other regular VESA mount. No problem. The results? A fantastic looking, cheap setup that fits right into any budget, honestly. I'm not even mad about the block of wood on the backs of the monitors. I mean, I'm not pay $300 plus for new monitors mad. Well, there you have it, guys. I did a DIY non-VESA mount for both of my monitors. And I have to say, I am not a professional, nor do I claim to be offering professional advice, but this has been working for me for a couple of months. I actually used these for, like I said, a couple of months before uploading the video, because I wanted to be sure that I wasn't going to tell people something that wouldn't work. And this epoxy has held up, and the back of it, as you saw, doesn't look like beautiful or anything, but you're not going to be looking at the back, you're going to be looking at the front. So these, fantastic. I'm happy with my work, and I didn't have to buy new monitors because I'm broke. And I do want to apologize for the iffy video quality, because I know that I didn't get a clear shot. I did all of this on my phone, okay? If I can't afford new monitors, I can't afford professional video equipment. So let me know if you guys liked this, and let me know if you want to see more, because I do stuff like this a lot. I do a lot of DIY stuff, but I don't film it. So thanks for watching. I'm Kazi. I upload every Wednesday and Friday. Wednesdays is going to be stuff like this. Fridays it's going to be gaming videos. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, twerk, have lunch. Try not to drink so much coffee. Really just live your life.